YouTubers. Here got video of my new flight cage. I'll show you now. I have a female budgie, male budgie, male cockatiel, and way back there's a female cockatiel. But these are the ones I have breeding now. I have the nest box right here. Just hoping they'll breed. You know, because this is the father of the female all the way back there, so I'm not gonna breed them. And plus I have down here, I have a pair of cockatiels breeding. That's the male, and the female, if you can see her, you can barely see her, she's back there, and there's a nest box. And basically it. Food and water dishes right there. Just have that hanging planter so they can get some nesting material, or you know, just play on it, like swing on it. And there's some seeds in there so they can eat it. Here I just have an extra water dish and its toy, a little branch there, and here I just have a small swing for them. Only the budgies go there, you know. So that's basically all of my birds. You can see my flight cage. Let's see if I can get a good picture of it. The flight cage, the bottom, my breeding cage. Yeah, I have the blinds closed. I open it every morning, and that's basically it. I'll be doing a video on how to breed parakeets shortly. Stay tuned.